How's it going, everyone? My name is Ninsky, and today we're going to be reviewing the iPhone Lavalier mic that I found on Amazon. It's very cheap, very affordable, and we're going to get into it right now. So hello again, everybody. My name is Ninsky, and welcome to your Content Hub, where I help you make your content better. So the lavalier mic that I'm going to be reviewing today in particular is directly for the iPhone. Now, I know you can find different adapters that you can use to plug it into different cameras or different phones, but this one is specifically made for the iPhone. It's got the iPhone Type-C jack, and overall it's really good for the iPhone. The specific features for this microphone are it's lightweight and portable, it's got a large compatibility, it's plug and play, upgrade noise cancellation techniques, omnidirectional technology, and professional studio recording quality. That's a lot. The name of this microphone on Amazon is Microphone Professional for iPhone Lavalier Lapel Omnidirectional Condenser Mic Audio Video Recording Easy Clip-on Lavalier Mic for YouTube Interview Conference iPhone iPad iOS 6.6 feet. That's a mouthful. One selling point for me of this microphone is that it is 79 inches or 6.6 feet long, and I really like that because if you are holding your iPhone a little bit far away from you or whatever at arm's length, it's more cord slack for arm's length. I am by no means an audio expert. I actually know very little about audio. However, I like to test things out to make sure that they are the way that I want them to be. So the frequency range for this is 20 hertz to 16,000 hertz. Sensitivity is from negative 30 decibels to 2 decibels. And the signal noise is somewhere right here. Now I have a confession to make. This entire video has been recorded with this microphone. The thing that I really like about this microphone is the way that I do it is I have my DSLR camera right there and I have my iPhone right here, and I'm actually have it straight plugged into my iPhone, and the audio that you're listening to right now is recording. And doing it this way when you're not restricted to an iPhone is actually really cool because you can just get up and walk away and the audio levels are going to be the same no matter what. It doesn't matter how close I am to the camera or not. I'm not restricted by the cord's length. So this is the mic right here, and as you can tell, it's very small, very compact. It's got a pretty thin wire, but for $26, it's pretty much a steal. It's got a clamp that's actually pretty big for the size of this, but if you're wearing something black or whatever, if you don't really care about it showing too much, then this is the perfect mic for you. So also it comes with 2 windscreens in case you happen to lose one of them, but I mean, are you gonna lose a windscreen? Really? It's $25, $26, my bad. One other thing about this microphone that I really like is that it takes in audio very loud initially. So I actually speak pretty quiet. I actually have the microphone, it's placed pretty low on my shirt. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I do it that way because I have a naturally projecting voice, and like I said, I'm actually speaking pretty quiet right now. If I were to speak in my normal volume, this is how I normally would speak, and this is how it would sound even when the microphone is kind of low on my shirt. And it's a little bit too loud, so I'm just going to tone it back down to where it was. If I'm talking low, I'll get really good audio, and then I also don't have to interrupt anybody. I can just record in peace. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys liked the video, make sure to smash that like button and also hit that subscribe button below. It all helps me and it helps you get notified when I release another video. So again, thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.